Good morning, dear children. I hope everybody is doing well. Children, you have already learnt about the sentences in previous videos. Children, you all know that every sentence is made up of words. Now the words that form a sentence are divided into different classes according to their use, or we can say that according to the work they do in a sentence. And these classes are called what? Do you know? They are called parts of speech. Do you know how many parts of speech are there? There are 8 parts of speech. Noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So how many parts of speech are there? Yes, 8. And today we will learn about nouns. So our topic for today is nouns. So what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. You have learnt about naming words in your previous classes also. So, a noun is what? A noun is a naming word. It is a name of a person, animal, place or thing. For example, father, tiger, park, book, etc. So, a noun is the name of a person, animal or bird, place or thing. Now look at the following sentences which are given on page number 8 of your grammar book. First is, Abhijit is tall. Now here, Abhijit is what? It's a name of a person and therefore it's a noun. Second, the cat is sleeping. Now here, the word cat is a noun because it's a name of an animal. Look at the next sentence. Neha is going to the school. Now school is what? It's a name of a place and therefore it's a noun. Next, this pen is beautiful. Now, pen here is the name of a thing and thus a noun. So, all these words, Abhijit, cat, school and pen, they are what? They are naming words. And naming words are called what? They are called nouns. Now, let's see the definition of nouns which is given in this box. A noun is the name of a person, animal or bird, place or thing. A noun is what? It's a naming word. Now come to page number 9 of your grammar book. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. So some sentences are given here. And what do you have to do? You have to underline the nouns in it, in these sentences. Let's read the first one. Birendra is an engineer. Now here, the word Birendra and engineer are what? Both these words are what? They are nouns. Why? Because they are the names of persons. Birendra is a name and similarly engineer is also a name given to a person. Second is, the boys took a boat to cross the river. Now remember what nouns are? They are the names of persons, animals, places or things. So keep it in mind. Now I'm reading the sentence again. The boys took a boat to cross the river. Now here the word boys, boat and river. All three of them are what? They are nouns because boys is the name of a person, boat is a thing, and river again, it's a naming word. So all three of them are what? They are nouns. Next, the rose is a beautiful flower. So here, rose and flower. Both of them are nouns. Next, Mary has lost her doll. Now here, Mary is a noun because it's the name of a girl, and doll is also a noun because it's the name of a thing. Next, Virat is a great batsman. Try to identify the nouns. Yes, Virat and batsman. Next, the earth goes round the sun. Now here the word earth and sun are nouns. Next, our house is close to the market. Yes, house and market. Both of them are what? They are names of places. Next, we went to Mumbai by train. Now here, Mumbai and train are the nouns. Next, the Taj Mahal is a grand monument. So here, Taj Mahal and monument. They are places and therefore nouns. Next, the cat ran after the rat. Now this is very easy. Cat and rat are the nouns in this sentence. Both are what? Animals. Next, there are no pictures in this book. Try to identify. Yes, pictures and book. Both of them are what? They are nouns. 12th, Ruchi brought milk in a jug. Now here, Ruchi, it's the name of a person. Milk, it's a thing. And jug. Jug is also what? It's also a thing. Now 12 of these I've already done for you. The rest 8 you will do on your own. Next is exercise D. Underline all the nouns in the following story. So here a story is given and you have to do what? You have to underline all the nouns which are present in it. So I'll read some part of the story for you. The rest you will read and underline on your own. So here it goes. A rabbit was lying under a tree in a jungle. He looked up and said to himself, "What will happen to the world if the sky falls down?" Now let's underline the nouns which are present till here. A rabbit. So rabbit is the noun. Was lying under a tree in a jungle. Now here, tree and jungle. Jungle is what? It's a place. Tree, a thing. And rabbit, it's an animal. Now let's move further. He looked up and said to himself, "What will happen to the world if the sky falls down?" Have you identified any noun? Yes. World and sky. Let's move further. Just then, a monkey in the tree dropped a coconut, which fell on the ground near the rabbit. Now let's underline the nouns. Monkey, again, tree, coconut, ground, and rabbit. Now you can read next part of the story on your own and underline the nouns. Now let's move to exercise E. Cross the word which is not a noun. Now this is very interesting. Now here some words are given and you have to identify that which one of them is not a noun. Let's read the first group of words. Pen, pencil, book, bag, write. Which one of them is not a noun? Is pen a noun? Yes, it's a thing. Pencil, pencil is also a noun. Book, book is also a noun. Bag, yes, it is also a noun. Write. No, so this is not a noun. So let's put a cross on it. Next, climb, park, tree, orange, monkey. So which one is not a noun here? Climb. This is not a noun. Next, snake, and, bench, apple, potato. I hope you can make out which word is not a noun. Yes, and is not a noun. One more for you and then the rest you can do on your own. So, eye, ear, nose, egg, walk. Which one is not a noun? Is eye not a noun? No, it's a noun. Ear. You have 2 ears, right? Ears are what? They're noun. Nose. Nose is also a noun. Egg is also a noun. Walk. No, it's not a noun. So let's cross it. 3 more left, so you can do them on your own. Now let's move to exercise F. Put in the missing letters. Give me dash to drink. And the word starts with which letter? W. So we are talking about what here? Give me dash to drink. Yes, water. W-A-T-E-R. Next, we get wool from the dash. 2 letters are given here, S-H. The rest are missing. Which animal gives us wool? Yes, sheep. So we get wool from sheep. Next, the dash rises in the east. What rises in the east? It begins with the letter S and it's a 3-letter word. And there's a picture also so that you can identify. Yes, it is sun. The sun rises in the east. Next, birds make their dash in the trees. The word starts with the letter N. Then a letter is missing. And then you have S-T-S. What do birds make in the trees? Nest. The birds make nests in the trees. One more for you. The dash smells sweet. flower smells sweet? I hope you know the name of this flower. It starts with the letter R and it's a 4-letter word. Rose. The rose smells sweet. In the same manner, do the last 3. So I'm leaving the last 3 for you. The clues are given to you. You can do them on your own. Now let's move to page number 11. G part. Fill in the blanks. Take the words from those given below. Now there are some words which are given in the box. Let's read the words first of all. Milkman, barber, tailor, painter, plumber, teacher, cobbler, carpenter, nurse, postman. These are the words which are provided to you and you have to fill in the blanks using these words. Now children, you can notice that all the words which are given in the box, they are nouns as they are the names given to a person. Now let's read the sentences one by one and find out which word will be suitable for which blank. So let's read the first sentence. A person who mends our shoes is called a dash. Who mends our shoes? Cobbler. So, a cobbler mends our shoes. Next, a person who stitches clothes for us is called a dash. So, what is the person who stitches our clothes called? He is called a tailor. Next, a person who paints our house is called a dash. Easy one. The one who paints our house. What is he or she called? Painter. Next, a person who teaches us is called a dash. Now this I won't tell you. You all know what will come here. So let's move to the next one. A person who looks after a patient is called a dash. What do we call a person who looks after a patient? Nurse. Next, a person who cuts our hair is called a dash. So the one who gives you a haircut, what is he called? Barber. Now the rest you can do on your own. Now children, one more thing that you have to do is that you will copy the definition of noun given on page number 8 of your grammar book, both these parts in your language notebook. Okay, so you will copy this entire definition. A noun is the name of a person, animal or bird, place or thing. A noun is a naming word. These two you have to copy in your language notebook. And along with this, you will also copy the first 5 sentences of page number 9 in your language notebook. So 2 things you have to do. Definition of noun you will copy in your language notebook and first 5 parts of exercise C. I have put a tick against these parts so that it is easy for you to remember. Understood? 2 things you have to do. You will copy the definition of noun in your language notebook and these 5 sentences. Okay? That is all for today. Thank you.